Hello, namaste, sat shri akal, आदाब and a very good evening to all of you. आज बहुत स्पेशल सेशन के लिए हमने आपको इनवाइट किया है and yes, it's Cognitive Toppers and today we have very special guest with us, Guli and Jatin. So I welcome you, Guli and Jatin.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let me give you a brief introduction about Gurleen and Jatin. बाकी सब हम यहीं से सुनेंगे इनकी अचीवमेंट है. Gurleen has converted at Ahmedabad and Jatin हमारा NGI में work किया है Jatin ने and अभी FMS waiting में है. So now Gurleen and Jatin, I want to know it from you guys. It's your story, Cat 23 and everything. अभी सिर्फ just introduce yourself कि how it started. Firstly, started from you, Gurleen.
So basically, I belong to Hannah, and the journey for CAT 2023 it's being started for me in July. So the things going on, and I came in contact with Hitwizai, obviously, and with the help of them, and with my hard work, obviously, blessings of God, my family, friends, and everything. I just converted Ahmedabad. That's a dream, but I'm seriously like it's just hard to believe that I've filled time, and it's seriously still it's feeling like a tune that I'm such together.
Yeah.
So Jatin, you how it all started?
Ma'am, we started in July 2022. Like, I was preparing, I was doing my job, and I connected with a friend. He told me about CAT and what about MBA. Then I like suffered all around what is all about. Then मैंने सोचा like this is aligning with my goal. I'm not for a government job, obviously. Like I'm done with all that. Yeah. And then I gave CAT 2022 without any self-preparation. It's only self-preparation. So scored 96, around 96%. I converted some baby IMs. But there was something in mind, like I don't want to go there. I should go somewhere where I should belong. So I thought of giving it again. Then the journey for the CAT 23 began. Guli was with me for all the time, motivating me, motivating each other. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Then obviously on D-Day I scored 98.85% type and converted.
मैंने बचपन से ही सोच किया था मतलब पहले ही अचीवर होना है. स्कूलिंग भी आई नो बोर्ड मेडलिस्ट है ना, यहाँ वर्क के साथ साथ एजुकेशन चल रही है. तो कैसे था मतलब गुरलीन कॉलेज में कैसे रहता था, मतलब कि स्टार्टिंग से यू वर वेरी गुड इन स्टडीज?
Luckily, I was.
Like I know
Like from the school, जब school start हुआ तो I was like कि हाँ 10th में भी state merit holder बनी. So that was the first achievement I would say. Like 10th में clinching the 7th position in the state. So I was like कि ठीक है अब कुछ हुआ है. Like before that it was school position. So that was not of that value because ठीक है कुछ भी नहीं. But then when I got the position in matriculation, then it was like कि हाँ कुछ हुआ है अब कुछ आगे जाना है. Like it was a starting step for me, the biggest achievement I would say. And at that moment, the thought like first in my parents' eyes. So that was something that acted as a motivating factor for me till now. Like that face of my parents is still in my face, and I just want them to relive that again. So then plus 2, then graduation and everything went on. For the college, I would not say I studied very much.
but still she's a woman medalist.
I am not a medalist, but I haven't studied very much. We used to bunk classes.
And डॉक्टर ऐसा क्यों होता है? तो ये उधर फेस टॉपर्स के जो गोल्ड मेडल याद है लेकिन हमने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया.
Actually, well, it was the reality. We hadn't studied much. We didn't attend regular classes, but we used to bunk classes as well. But yeah.
To look one of your. And what about you, Jatin?
I'm
Your
mainly,
school के experience, college के experience.
yeah, man, like 10th में अभी एक state holder, state merit holder था. 20th ranking Punjab. 20th ranking all over Punjab. There my journey began. Like all the proud my mother had at that time. I saw in her eyes. That's all. I want this to leave. Then 12th scored 91%. Scored obviously very good according to my township. Then went on to college, but due to some financial crisis, I went to a government job. Then worked there and also
Okay, तो आपके गवर्नमेंट जॉब के साथ साथ ही बहुत टाइम में हम ग्रेजुएट.
yes.
ओके नाइस. तो मतलब ग्रेजुएशन कहाँ से की है एंड हाउ मैनेज कैसे किया फिर साइड बाय साइड जॉब के साथ एंड विद कैरियर प्रेशर? Main thing is कि CAT preparation you're doing the 3 things together.
Yes.
That's the
मैम लाइक मैं जॉब कर रहा था, जॉब के बाद जो टाइम होता था उसको स्टडी करनी होती थी, उसके बाद जो मेरे है ना एग्जाम्स होते थे वो सिर्फ सेंटर पे जाके देने होते थे, खुद पढ़ना होता था, कोई टीचर जिसको
जब इतना सब स्टडी रहे तो I don't think कि सोने और खाने के टाइम
नहीं मैम ऐसा नहीं था, हम नेटफ्लिक्स वगैरह भी करते थे ऑनेस्टली।
okay. Ma'am, we have 24 hours and we have managed it 20 already.
It's all about time management.
कि कैसे मैनेज किया, मतलब गवर्नमेंट जॉब यू थे?
मैम लाइक जॉब होती थी, उसके बाद घर आए, लाइक उसके बाद थोड़ा टाइम रेस्ट किया, पढ़ लिया, नहीं किया तो मन नहीं किया तो वो लाइक मैम कॉलेज में ऐसे होता था, हम कुछ ज्यादा इतनी प्रिपरेशन भी जो लगती नहीं थी।
Actually, that's what Tariq saying. College में इतना ज़्यादा नहीं
नहीं था, लगता ही था पढ़ना है।
Even I would say when I got the news that I'm getting the gold medal, I didn't know it earlier because यूनिवर्सिटी जो मेरी फीस की नीड्स करती है वो यूजुअली कॉलेजेस के पास नहीं आती है, और अगर आती भी है तो वो सिर्फ प्राइवेट वाले बताते हैं। आई वाज फ्रॉम अ गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज एंड दे डिडंट केयर अबाउट इट। यू आर स्टूडेंट इन एचपीबी नॉट दे विचार। तो I was not knowing, and I got the university invitation letter when I was at an interview in Delhi. I was then at Delhi. I got the mail from university that you have got your.
No.
Yes, no. I was for I'm postcode interview. I was there at Delhi, and I got a mail stating that you are going to get gold medal. Firstly, I was like, seriously? What are we doing?
Just a lie.
No.
Yeah, it's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie.
आप भी अजीब
I get
सब इतने talented. That's why you guys are sitting here. Obviously, your hard work, जो सब तुमने मतलब अपनी रातें खराब करी है,
Honestly, like,
it's all worth it.
Yeah.
I mean, converted, इतनी मेहनत, CAT का स्कोर इतना अच्छा है, इंडिया converted. So I think that process वो काफी important है.
हाँ,
कि तुम्हारा schedule काफी matter करता है.
That वही तो मतलब like what we are saying is that for the CAT we needed to have the in-depth preparation. It was needed to be there in a proper flow. Like we can't skip a single day. Like if we were skipping a single day, then that counted. But for the colleges, that was not the thing. Even you know that for the colleges, even we study one night. That's okay. But for the CAT, that was not the thing. CAT demands 5 to 6 months of regular prep without the civil
like
gap.
we can't take a break.
And that was
Can't
the
take a break,
thing
obviously. You can't.
that feed us.
तो मतलब कॉलेज के स्टडीज में फिर भी ब्रेक
Yeah.
Sorry, that's what we are talking about. There's a
कंसिस्टेंसी
That में consistency बहुत matter करता है. That matters a lot.
a single day gap will lead you behind 1,000 people.
हमारे से क्या होगा तो नानी को ये वैसे
And leads you into depression as well.
Actually, a single day gap will not like next day we will be like, अरे यार मैं पढ़ा रही थी,
That is
क्या
anxiety.
हुआ? That anxiety.
That's somewhere in the mind. Like we are not studying today.
हाँ.
Why?
This is the very common thing in achievers. Whether it's CAT thing और किसी भी एग्जाम की बात करो तो एक बहुत कॉमन चीज होती है अचीवर्स में कि वही कंसिस्टेंसी, कि जैसे वो अपना डेली लाइफ को बनाते हैं आप वैसे ही बन जाते हो। आई थिंक है तो ये चीज वजह से आप जो इतनी कॉमन चीजें कि आपको एंजाइटी होता था रही जब भी आप कुछ भी स्किप कर देते
हाँ,
हो, तो आई थिंक दैट थिंग वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है कि तुम्हें टेंशन होनी चाहिए। हाँ अभी मुझे जो बोलते हैं ना कि फ्री माइंडेड रहो या मत, इतना नहीं
relax नहीं हो।
थोड़ी तो टेंशन लो।
I think that CAT is something that demands consistency. Right? Even a single day gap will lead you behind lot because there are thousands of people working and you don't know how much hard work they are putting in.
So let's talk about CAT more. See, when you starting your CAT journey, तो we all know 3 sections होते हैं और अदर एंट्री एग्जाम्स ही होते हैं, एग्जैक्ट एंड बैड। तो आपने कौन कौन से एग्जाम स्टार्ट किए थे आफ्टर इट वाज क्लियर कि आई वांट गुड आईएम्स या फिर और भी एग्जाम थे माइंड में से एग्जिट आई वगैरह? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद जतिन, आपने कौन कौन से एग्जाम टारगेट किए?
मैम मैंने ओनली कैट ही टारगेट किया था, एक टाइम के लिए ज़ैट सोचा था बट इट वाज लाइक एक्सेल रही है, एचआर के लिए जाना पड़ेगा बट आई डोंट वांट टू गो इन एचआर सो आई स्किप्ड इट एंड आईएफटी वाज इन माय माइंड बट देयर वाज स्किप्ड इट दिस ईयर सो ओनली कैट।
And
Well, for me, like when I started my prepping back in 2022 for my first attempt, then it was like I will give all the exams, like all aspects. Like I was a totally naive to this. I didn't know anything about, so I was like, "Ki, ठीक है, जब exam होगा, actually attempt दूंगी, CAT and MEDSATs ना, I will give everything." But luckily, when I attempted 2022 वाला CAT, I converted on that. So having a deferral option in hand, I was like, there is no scope of giving any other exam because even if I will give a math or something, then it will be somewhere equal to that, right? So that's why
I am calling so हम कुछ और नहीं करेंगे.
what do I think? Because of that different option that it had, in 2020 I didn't tap into it once. I was like, इसमें कुछ अच्छा better हो तो ठीक है, otherwise I will go there and give my best. But luckily got something better.
Right. Got it. So after this discussion, let's get into some exciting game. Now we start with rapid fire, right? And with our toppers. So let's see कि अब ये क्या कहने वाले हैं. I'll let me tell you the rules. First of all, तुम्हें ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है. जितना तुम कैन में सोच चुके हो, ठीक है? And rapid fire में जो चीज़ तुम्हारे मन में पहले आ रही है, just answer that question. And that's it. This is the game. ठीक है? And फिर जो जीतेगा, obviously हमारे पास special है. Get ready.
Now it's about
It is. Not like cat. Obviously.
But it's your heart. It's your heartbeat.
There are none.
I mean, your heartbeat. That's what I'm saying.
Cat buddies.
I don't know.
I'm thinking. So let's start. अब ऑलरेडी भी बताओ कि हम किससे स्टार्ट करें.
as you wish.
तो गली किससे बोलेंगे? किससे कुछ बोलेंगे? So obviously. So your first question would be. The one famous epithet from IIM Sabha.
Then Raghuram Rajali, provider of IBI.
Great. Early bird or night owl? When do you prefer studying for cat?
Both.
You need to answer one. Early bird or night owl?
Night owl.
Okay. Cat study playlist. Share your favorite study music here.
Hadn't listened to music anytime. For the cat. So we can
Strange. Flashcard or mind map? Which do you prefer for cat reviews?
Mine now.
Mine. Cat highlight favorite section and why?
VRC.
And why?
It was my strongest section. That is why it was my favorite section. Otherwise, again, like when we used to read those articles or something, now so it provided us some new insight about something. Like there was articles from distinct of the subject, so somewhere we get to stand our knowledge.
Okay. Cat exam anxiety booster technique.
The talk with friends, specifically Jatin and I am having one other friend. We used to talk a lot during the prep.
इसकी विषय पे बैठ करना होता है जब आके देते हैं और मेडल भी ले जाता है आए पे अहमदाबाद भी ले जाना है ठीक है share your cat's exam strategy in 3 words.
Consistency, practice, box.
Great. So now it's your turn and get ready.
It's something
Your first question.
Okay.
ठीक है अब पास में जैसे कोई नहीं गया तो माइंड कंपटीशन है तुम्हारे
Okay.
So describe your cat study space in 3 words.
Friends, family, and obviously books.
Okay. Favorite motivational quote to keep you going during cat prep.
Do whatever you want, whatever you have, and wherever you are.
Describe your cat exam day mood in 1 word.
Anxious.
Okay. Share your cat exam strategy.
Like it was all about dedication and consistency and being a regular student.
Describe your cat study routine in 1 sentence.
One sentence.
Yes.
Like giving time to 2 sections, like one for sure to VRC, that was my weakest section, and one to other, and give a mock in 1 week.
Okay. MDI interview experience.
Like it was not my best of the interviews, but it was like average. Average.
So that's it. And what do you think is the good?
No,
You are
I think
So the gift goes to you.
Yes, of course. But obviously ये हम लास्ट में बताएंगे. Suspense रहना चाहिए. कि और दुश्मनी बढ़ाते हैं अभी बाद में. ठीक है.
Oh, we have a visa after. When we sort it out.
Okay. Visa by. I think we are already inducted.
Sure.
If you're talking about the section-wise thing, so I really want to ask you कि section-wise strategy की सब arrange करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा important होता है क्या? And अगर तुम section-wise strategy नहीं use करोगे तो तुम नहीं कर पाओगे. Each section की weightage होती है, pressure रहता है, time होता है. तो उसके साथ डील करना कैसा रहता है? मतलब कि कैट के साथ अब सपोज आई एम स्टार्टिंग अभी कैट के लिए, तो द फर्स्ट स्टेप आई हैव टू टेक इज
According to me, I suggest the first step you should take attempt a walk. Without any prep, without anything, just so far attempting a walk, you will know where you start. I'll not lie, the first walk I had attempted, I spoke 28 months. And I was broken out in pieces. What is happening? Only 4 months are there. I didn't quite get angry. I scored 20 overall.
It's around 70%. I think the cat would be really
So having those dreams.
and she's saying it so normally कि just 28 score.
Like, I would say that even if the person is starting right now, like we are in April, right? May is starting.
Right.
So we are having just 6 to 7 months for camp, right? So I would say this VRC is something that should not be skipped. Even though it was my strongest section, but still, I would say VRC is the make or break. You may check all the 98% tigers. Everyone will be having about 15 VRC. Everyone. I can guarantee here that everyone will be having, because VRC is something that can make or break your people.
Yeah.
If you are having a good VRC section, first it will provide you a boost for the upcoming section, because you will know that I have attempted first section good, so S will be good. Even as well as VRC is something, if you are attempting right, there is no scope of getting it wrong. So
Right.
I would say be consistent with VRC, attempt RC and everything. Both, just devote half an hour to both of these and you will be all sorted till the exam. VRC is something that should not be skipped.
Like,
Our DIA first, I would say, is better than me.
so Jatin, you tell us like what was your first step? Because as she said, in VRC time already your strong point is comp.
Yes.
Right. So what was your first step towards CAT?
Like, मैं नहीं कहूँगा like lockdowns से पहले. I will not suggest. I will say do some preparation first of all. Like, go to know the subjects and the contents, whatever is in the paper. So you will get an idea like what is coming for you. Prepare for 1 to 2 months, then start giving mocks. Like,
Yeah, regular books is there, like half the 2 to 3 months of preparation and you're having
Yeah.
confidence. I was saying that before starting to just have an idea where you start. Because a lot of people will be there who don't have maths. Lot of people will be there who have maths. So for that, sorry for interrupting you.
agree नहीं कर रहे, but I think कि जहाँ तक experience है, we should start with mock. That's why we always say student एक बार at least give WinCat, because उससे आइडिया हो जाता है.
Yeah.
हम उसी कैट पे WinCats अपलोड करते हैं ऑन टाइम लिमिट कि आपको आइडिया हो कि आप अटेम्प्ट क्या कर रहे हो, आपको स्ट्रैटेजी क्या करनी है. AI एटलीस्ट इसीलिए है.
Actually, there is a brief in that as well, right? What was that? Pre-WinCat. Maybe before the series start. Yes, that is to be attempted before, like starting the prep. That is what I'm talking about. Just
Okay, so that's
pre-WinCat should be given. It should not be there like being in the portal and just type it. It should be given. And
बस मेरी students नहीं देते हैं WinCats. हार्डली स्टूडेंट लास्ट पे 5-6 अटेम्प्ट करते हैं actually. That is not.
well, I would say like 2 hours per exam. So first session will be BRC, then BRL, and then the quant section. So most of the students like are done with the 2 sections, and quants is like
no energy is there.
no, totally.
Okay, fine.
We are gone. अब नहीं होगा इससे आगे. And quant में इसलिए सबका स्कोर डाउनग्रेड जाता है. Like वो माइंड चल ही नहीं रहा होता उस टाइम पे.
तो स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट होने के बाद भी कॉन्ट में
होता है.
Because VRC in DI are so much vipers only. आप थक जाते हो तब तक बहुत.
Like-
We are exhausted.
120 minutes literally गए. इसके बाद 120 मिनट्स गए, तो उसके बाद 40 मिनट लास्ट वाले तो ऐसे है ना, बूस्ट देना होता है. मतलब कौन सा है आपको सबसे ज्यादा माइंड उसी में लगाना है, बट वो होता ही नहीं. लाइक वो सारा जा चुका होता है पहले.
But that's something needed to be kept.
बट क्वार्ट्स में एक स्ट्रेटजी होनी चाहिए. लाइक आपको क्वेश्चन देखा, अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा, 1 मिनट होगा, उससे ज्यादा मत लो. अगर उससे ज्यादा लगा रहे हो, यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम.
उस टाइम लिमिट भी
हाँ.
नहीं है.
आपको टाइम का सोचना होगा. You have to go around all the 34 questions. Then you will be able to solve 5, 10, whatever you want. Only then.
Right. I think
To add, there should be a strategy like which section you are going to target first. Like firstly, you are going to attempt arithmetic, then algebra, then geometry. It could differ for everyone, right? But when we are having this hierarchy in mind, then it gives a clear idea. Okay, that this question should be given some time, or this question should not.
right.
Like everyone has strong point in a new quads, obviously. Like arithmetic, someone is good in algebra, someone is good in geometry. So that should be considered as well.
I think that art of choosing the right topic, the right
Yeah.
section is very important.
Yeah.
It's because of the time, right? So we were talking about the section wise, and what about the NRDI? That's so like we have talking about the cat, because we asked me the con. Now NRDI. उसको क्या छोड़ ही देते हैं?
No.
Attempt as many different types of sets as you can, because you don't know, even if you will attempt 1,000 sets, the 1,001 set that will be there in the exam that will be picked. You never know. You can't be sure of that set.
Art of NRDI.
Actually,
It happens.
It happens.
Time.
We had attempted around 5 to 600 sites. But
Just
the
more
set
than
we
that.
encountered in the exam was totally out of the blue. We didn't know what next came. But actually, that practice helped us to have some strategy for this. Because in everyday we don't know, we don't have a specific pattern, we don't have a formula, we don't have to read something. It's just you in front of, data is there in front of you and you have to just look at it and solve it. So for that, I would say practice is must, because practice will give you an idea how to approach.
Better to be right. जितना इजी है कि मुझसे लग रहा है आप लोग को मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है? वो बहुत अच्छी कोर्स है तो बट द स्ट्रैटेजी इज वेरी करेक्ट because that section wise and everything that they're seeing very correctly वो बहुत important होता है CAT में, right? So if I talk about the interview now, the interview part कि अब रिजल्ट आ गया है, हमें पता लग गया कितना परसेंटाइल है, तो वो कंफ्यूजन बहुत होती है. इवन हमें भी पता है कि उस टाइम स्टूडेंट इतना ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज होता है कि इतने सारे SOPs हैं और फॉर्म्स हैं, तो बहुत कंफ्यूजन होती है. आई थिंक मेरे को मल्टीपल कॉल्स आए थे गुरलीन एंड जतिन से, मैम हम आ रहे हैं हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा, आप हमें ये भी सब. बट आई थिंक वो टोटली वर्थ इट था, बिकॉज उनका हार्डवर्क वो सब वर्थ इट था. तो वो इंटरव्यू प्रेप कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ था? ऑब्वियसली अच्छा हुआ था वो कैसे, मतलब वो फर्स्ट फेज की डर लग रहा होगा, बिकॉज अब वो कहते हैं ना कि मोस्ट 80% चीज हो चुकी है, वो 20% जहाँ पे बच्चा रह जाता है.
Yeah.
तो वो
That's a myth. When we cover the CAT, now we say that 80% is right. But when you step onto interviews, you will suddenly feel preparing for CAT was way easier. Actually, because for interviews, there is lots of vast content. You don't know what to cover and what not to. There is a lot of history, geography, polity going on in the world, India, world, universe. You have to cover everything.
But still, you will find some questions that you haven't
The
prepared.
interviewer asking you something else.
I think to be UPSC, you know.
Actually, I'm saying that when you step onto interviews, you will feel CAT was easier.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's so vast. Depending upon the profile, you have to answer those questions. Depending upon your city of belonging, state of belonging, you have to prepare that. Depending upon your background, you have to prepare that. India, history, polity, but not. It's too vast. And that to be prepared along with filling out the forms, making recipes, and coping with all your judgments.
Yeah.
I think वो वही CAT मतलब बोलता है कि पिक्चर अभी हम दिखाएंगे.
Serious.
Just wait. तो that you record जतन आपकी लिस्ट कैसे था?
बस मैं टीपी बताऊँ 30th of January को मेरा IMW को इंटरव्यू डेट आई और मैं 22nd of Jan को इंटरव्यू था.
मैं कैसे भूल सकती हूँ, मुझे पता है.
Literally, I have only 8 to 10 days and I haven't prepared anything till that time. I was like, literally, I was. उसके बाद मैंने हफ्ता लगाया, like literally, day, night, one, obviously. Then prepared some basic concepts of CATs and my work related questions and something like related to geography. But still, it was a decent drill for me.
Because I really want to know कि आपके पास वो टेक्स्ट था, तो वो बहुत से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस ऑब्वियसली आए ही होंगे बिकॉज द मैनेजमेंट एवरीथिंग. तो उसके साथ टैकल करना, मतलब उनके पास काफी क्वेश्चंस हो गए that अगर already you're working, and तो why you want to go for MBA?
Yeah.
Go to question. So tell us why you want to go for MBA.
That's not an interview.
Actually, if you want an
I'm a rejected guy.
if you want an answer that is to be given in the interview, then we can give.
No, just really tell me. Then इनकी कैसे रहा था इंटरव्यू? मैं लखनऊ का वो फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस.
Well, like I was nervous, but still, after the interview, I was like, yeah, it was good one. Like almost one question answered, and 2 to 3 questions were not answered, and the interviews were also helpful there. So I was like, okay.
ये तो मेरे भाई आप सकते
But Lucknow was the most horrible of actually. Because when I went inside, the person was there sitting like, I destroyed that up. He was not from commerce background. I'm from commerce and they were, I guess, co-engineers. That was a mismatch. So I entered, he asked me a particular concept, I don't know from where. I was not sure about it. I said, sir, I don't know about it, but I can just like guess it, right? So I began guessing. He asked me a few more questions. I answered. Then the other interviewer started me asking the core mathematical concepts. Me being from commerce, I don't know anything about it.
And you being the gold medalist.
Actually, I'm a gold medalist in my stream. I can't know about engineering. And he's asking me, pata nahi kya about maths. And that interview lasted only for 6 minutes. Oh, that's it. For others, from his
Mine was for 15 minutes.
issue was 15 minutes. And I was moving at his weight for 15 minutes. I was like, 6 minutes, but then came the Ahmedabad and went very well. Honestly, that was a dream of combat also. How?
कौन सा अच्छा गया है?
Because we can't be sure about anything. Because they are always good and bad. But for me, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta, all 3 were win.
You never know what is coming.
How?
तो what was the technique मतलब आप लोग भी जीके ये concept से go किया current जीके साथ तो कैसे वो चीज़ कैसी थी कि
Like when we started, we prepared jointly to be very honest. Like we were interviews specifically, we were related. So firstly, what we did was we spent 2 to 3 days not in preparing anything. We just made a checklist of what we have to do. Like this is I remember the contents that I had noted. Like firstly, we have to do Hindi constitution.
Right.
That we don't have to note about the recent awardees, about the Paramveer Chakra and the
All the glamping awards.
anything. Right now, a lot of list of awardees. Then we noted about all related to investments. Like private equity, venture capital, and what are the major MSME funds that have been going on, startups, all these things. Then we noted about stock market. We were expected to know that being from commerce, right? Equities and everything. Then we noted about accounts. Then what we noted is, I don't remember exactly. Then list is thinking managing. There was 15 points. 15 points. There was 15 points.
First of all, HR questions were very important. Like,
We spent literally 1 week for that, and then spent 2 to 3 hours at Chandigarh as well with sir. Okay, just get them dispatched. कि बताओ ये कहाँ पे गए थे, कहाँ पे सी, इसमें क्या question आएगा?
I still remember I got a call from Purleen on Saturday that ma'am, I'm coming tomorrow, so please book my slot with Sir Anand sir, and I want to clear all my doubts. Ishwar sir, Anand sir, please, I want to come, and Jatin is coming with me. So
We were like, one is solving and one is coming.
one day I still remember what happened. Only you called me. And actually, मैंने सर को बताया कि only one student will be coming. And then both of them came and sir was like, मुझे पता नहीं था मतलब मेरी class but somehow like you guys also cooperated and sir also handled so well. हर doubt सब कुछ clear हुआ.
yeah.
Actually, we are like, for HR questions, we are very, very helpful to Ishwar sir and Rajiv sir. Like, they have provided us with in-depth feedback. They have provided, like, what we had prepared now, we read those questions and told us किस पे क्या question आ सकता है. हमने ये line किया, उस line पे क्या पूछना.
Those has to be
So we were
prepared.
prepared. We were somewhat prepared for the interviews कि अच्छा ऐसा question आया तो उसको ऐसे answer कर.
Okay, tell about, I want to know your workshop experience. Because you guys had ended our bootcamp workshops. Like, how was it? Like, the full day workshop, and I know काफी exhausting था, but ना कुछ था उस workshop में, and we saw इतना emotionally लोगों को आते बाहर होते हुए भी देखा, excited होते हुए आ रही. So how was it for you? Like, how was the workshop interview?
मेरा I am like local interview हो चुका था जब मेरा workshop के टाइप था. तो literally I was like, कोई बात नहीं, interviews है, हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे, हो जाएंगे, पहले वहाँ देख के आया हूँ. But it was way good than the metro one.
Okay.
I was like, this should be done. This should have to be done. This should have to be done. Like the giving insights over there, literally very, very helpful. Yeah, like the bad preparation, low for research. That I was like, yeah, it's really good in that.
Like how? Because the interviews that were conducted there, it was so detailed. that covered each and every aspect of Purple Point. No doubt the actual interviews would not be like that. They would not cover each and everything. But when in those mock interviews, we would make what everything were covered, and that happened.
That's very organized.
Yeah.
Bootcamp every year ताकि students और इसका criteria है. I think you
Yeah.
know while student जो इस academy है उसमें नहीं आ सकता. Only student who have to time side above and say calls है and say only those student can attend this workshop. So because to give them the clear picture of the interview कि actually आने कैसे वाले.
Yeah.
Right. And for me, one interview was taken by, I remember, Anabhadaya Pritika ma'am and each person, right? So they were like rapid fire. It threw 15, 20 questions just like this with us. And I was like, yeah, stop, please, no. But that helped me a lot. Seriously, that helped me a lot.
It'll be, you know, prepare you for that.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's prepare for the worst scenario. ये क्या हो सकता है?
And nothing could be like, वो जिस लेवल पे था उस लेवल पे तो कोई एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू जाता भी नहीं. But we were prepared for the best, so better was easier for us.
Right. So that's why तब हम अपने स्टूडेंट को इतने मॉक्स इंटरव्यू देते हैं वो सारे वर्थ इट होते हैं. Look at them. आपसे कोई भी स्टूडेंट अगर बोले मैं रिंग नहीं दे रहा या फिर मैं मॉक्स नहीं लगा रहा तो दिस इज द इंस्पिरेशन.
No, that's worse.
Actually it is must. Yeah. So बहुत serious बातें हुई. Let's get ready for the next fun game that is Sense and Catch Drill. Never have I ever. And इस गेम के रूल्स कुछ अलग है. So मैं आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चन सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी एंड अगर आप लोग गिल्टी हुए तो देखो ये पूरा ऑनेस्टी का गेम है. अगर सब लोग गिल्टी हो तो यू हैव टू टेक अ शॉट, राइट? और नहीं हो तो बट यू नो एंड आई नो नाउ कि तुम लोग गिल्टी हो या नहीं. सो गेट रेडी. सो आई विल आस्क यू 6 क्वेश्चंस और अगर तुम्हें लगता है तुम गिल्टी हो, तुमने वो किया है तो यू हैव टू टेक अ शॉट. ठीक है? बाकी मैं बता दूंगी किसमें गिल्टी है. But honesty the best policy. Obviously तुम scholars हो, तुमने पढ़ा ही होगा. ठीक है? So let's start the game. ठीक है? Your first question. And are you ready?
Oh, what?
हाँ, for both of you. So ready?
Yeah.
Yes, ready. So never have I ever binge watched Netflix instead of preparing for the cat. Okay, did you never? No, why? Okay, second question. Never have I ever bunked Hit Bullseye class and gone out with friends. साथ में ही गई होगी. क्या अब टेक्निकली तुम लोग साथ में गए थे? ठीक है, तुम साथ में वैसे मतलब ये एक बार क्यों है काफी बार fine.
But we used to work when we go classes and it's topics were allowed. We didn't skip any topic.
I can't touch them. ठीक है. Never have I ever scrolled through Instagram during the cat study session. Always, obviously, and
Been a longer. Yeah, usually before.
नहीं किया.
Yeah.
Okay. And कितनी बार किया है? एक दिन में 3 बार 4 बार.
No, I way.
Okay.
No, but one thing was that, like, examples, we appeared with our accounts.
Both of you.
Yeah, we did.
Easy strategy है. तो इसको भी नोट कर रहे ना.
Yeah.
More exams is deactivated.
Oh,
You don't understand that.
It was in September, right?
Maybe. I guess a burst.
We don't
3 to 4 months.
We
3 to 4 months. We like to use social media apps.
I'm like that.
We have the apps.
Okay. Never have I ever cheated in mock test. That's no. Okay. Never have I ever felt anxious before I am interviewed.
Please follow with she.
Huh?
Let's pop. You wave. I'm good chat.
वो तो नेचुरल होता है देखो कि तुम्हें ये एंजाइटी थी और सब अपने पुराने सारे जो गलत काम होते हैं उससे क्या आता है कि अगर ये पूछ लिया तो मैं क्या आंसर करूँगा. तो वो तो आई थिंक गो टू है. वो सबने किया है. सबको एंजाइटी होती है whether it's IIM interview or normal interview always ऐसा है. So never have I ever felt like giving up on cat prep due to low mock test score. Not giving
No
up.
one giving up. For
No
now.
way. Well, it was like you have to make a shot. You have done it.
No.
We were guilty. Like, we were like, कि अब कैसे करें, क्या करें? But it was not like giving up. It was a dream to really start, and it was never to be
That
discounted.
was now a reaction.
Ciao. It was never a give up feeling, but how something
थोड़ा सा lonely चल रहा. How?
Mark was it?
Never have I ever doubted my ability to crack cat.
We had.
Not expected.
We have a lot. Like,
मुझे नहीं लगता मतलब previous year और ये सब सुन के I think इनको भी नहीं लग रहा होगा ये cycle से.
Because still, when you score consistent, like win 1, 2, 3 marks, you're getting less marks, even in one particular section. It's sometimes creating really bada bhi rain easier maybe. There is something in why that's
Yes, true, but they. So,
I don't really don't know yes, for sure.
okay.
Like, rookie scoring less than 10. Yeah, whatever. My highest score was 20-25 guys in the box.
Okay.
And in the cat 23, I scored 93. We have the section always.
actually, but that's the we had doubts with it because it felt like it kar bhi nahi hai wahi hoga bhi hai wahi. Sometimes it felt, but it was never कि give up कर दो. But हाँ, doubts were there.
और अब जब तुमने कर लिया है एंड देन इनवाइटेड यू तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके क्योंकि हमने सोचा था कि हिट विल
We are the
first like move this revelation.
Actually, we are very proud of them, seeing the hard work, the consistency. Because students बहुत prepare करते हैं CAT के लिए. But that dedication you should always have in your prep, and this consistency should always have. And hence, too, we have our results sitting with us here, having this shot. So I think इस जो common mistake है वो हम सब करते हैं, and we can see जिसकी भी उन्होंने गलतियाँ दी हैं थे shots. But I think Gurleen का still it's
Fortunate. Seriously about it.
even I'm not a big fan of this. बस तो दिन में 4-5 बार हो ही जाता है. It's okay, but I think if they can, manage everything simultaneously with their studies also, with CAT prep, with your work ex also, don't give up, stay motivated and stay consistent in your CAT prep. And now it's time for the rapid fire result.
I just got that too.
Okay. Still she's lying.
अरे यार
We are efficient.
Rapid fire के लिए.
हाँ दिया. You got
Challenge आ जाता है. So अगर ठीक है अगर तुम्हें मिला जाता है तो you'll give it to Gurleen, you can do that.
Yeah, for sure.
But I can't do that.
दोस्ती करना. Gurleen ये चीज भी
And I have considered this.
now you have
No, let's like that. I can also give it. That's a
So I think this decision is very hard for us also. हम ये decide नहीं कर पाएंगे हम अपने student को किसको बताएं. I think both of them had done a great, rapid fire day. So our results are here, and the hamper, the gifts goes to Jatin Gurleen. So both of them has win this rapid fire. Now, after final results, हमारे पास gifts हैं. This is for you, Gurleen and Jatin. Please. And it's been an honor कि आप जैसे students generally हमें मौका मिला आपको guide करने का, and you guys your hard work सच में ही pay off है. कि thank you so much to it. And guys,
thank you so much to all the faculties, networks, and everyone for guiding us or being available for us wherever we need. We are here because you were there to support us.
thank you so much. It's an honor. And we are very proud it was I. Thank you so much.
Very, very.
ये खूबसूरती it was I. So that's all, and I hope you like the video, and if you like this session, just share the session with your friends. Subscribe our channel and comment down your thoughts, your strategy for your CAT prep. If you need any help, just let us know, and stay tuned for the next video.